how to grow an email list and mistakes to avoid. If you are having a hard time growing an email list, let me help. I will show you 3 of the fastest ways to grow your list and explain psychologically why they work so well.
I know you have heard of using lead magnets to get people to join your list, but did you know that not all lead magnets work? For example, if you are offering a free webinar in exchange for people's email addresses and you put the link in your social media, you'll find that most people will not click your link. Why? And if you're running a YouTube ad giving away a free ebook, you'll notice not many people will click your ad, or they'll click it, land on your landing page, and not give you their email address. Why?
It all starts with understanding the psychology of people online. Once you understand their behavior, you'll know exactly which lead magnet to use to maximize your conversions. Here, let me show you what I'm talking about.
The 3 most popular ways to grow your email list right now is using your Facebook page, which is free, using your Instagram account, which is also free, and using YouTube ads, which is paid. Let's talk about the first one, how to use your Facebook page to grow an email list fast. I first learned this awesome strategy when I attended an Amazon sellers convention. One of the sellers not only makes a living selling Amazon products, but also teaches people how to sell. He has a Facebook group where he gives monthly tips on all different ways to make money using Amazon. What's extra special about this group? He calls it his exclusive Facebook group and made it private. And what is the price of admission? You got it. You have to give him your email address to join the private group. I love the strategy and took it a step further. I used to have a public Facebook group called Marketing, Sales, Copywriting, where I give weekly tips on those topics. Here's what I do now. I set it to private and make visitors answer 2 questions before I let them join. The first is the multiple choice question. Which one are you most interested in? They can select marketing, sales, or copywriting. That way, I can separate these people into different groups and give them relevant information. The second question is the price of admission. Here's what I ask. We have invested thousands of dollars and hours to learn the best marketing, sales, and copywriting strategies. If you would like to receive exclusive value emails, please provide us with your best email. And that's it. The reason why this works so well is that when people search for groups to join on Facebook, they are immediately drawn to private groups. A group that's not open to everyone is automatically more valuable than a public group. Just like if you were going clubbing, would you want to go to a club that lets everyone in without question? Or an exclusive club that's closed off to the public that makes you wait outside before letting you in? Exactly. The exclusive club. That's why this strategy works so well in helping you collect email addresses. Now let's talk about the second strategy, using social media, specifically Instagram, to grow your list. Of all the social media platforms out there, my favorite is Instagram because it still has the highest engaged audience on any other platform. So let's answer the question I asked earlier. Why no one clicks your webinar or online training link in your bio? This is also related to the psychology of the people on Instagram. Instagram is a platform for short-form content. People are used to consuming quick content, liking a picture, watching a 15-second reel, or watching a 30-second video. Anything longer, and people's attention will drift and they will quickly skip to something else. That's the key, short-form content. People who have stumbled upon your profile may be interested in what you are offering, but they have no patience to consume your webinar. I did an experiment. I told people that I was doing a 30-minute webinar about Instagram growth and told people to click the link in my bio to register. I got so little turnout that I stopped hosting the webinar. No one wanted to attend. Now, if people are not willing to attend a 30-minute webinar, do you think they will be willing to attend an hour-long webinar? No, probably not. So what's the solution? Offer short-form content in exchange for someone's email. Offer something that is so easy to consume that it takes a few minutes. The best way to do this is by using your Instagram carousel. This is what I did. When I was sharing some YouTube algorithm secrets I learned while working at YouTube headquarters, I created a carousel of things YouTube looks at when they are deciding whether they want to rank your videos or not. I provided several pages of tips, ending with the last page, a call to action page telling people that if they enjoy these tips, there are more in my short ebook about YouTube ranking. Click the link in the bio to download this short 10-page ebook now. Notice how I emphasize on the word short and 10 pages in my lead magnet? People on Instagram want fast and short content. If you can give them instant satisfaction, they will be more than happy to exchange their emails for it. Which comes down to our third strategy for growing your list, running YouTube ads on the YouTube platform. Long time ago, I ran a successful ad campaign giving out a free ebook teaching people how to optimize their Instagram in 10 minutes. I got thousands of people downloading my book each week. My email list was growing and my sales was growing because a good portion of the people who downloaded the book also bought my Instagram course. All was good until recently. Guess what happened? Suddenly and without warning, the ads started to do terribly. Take a look. These were how horrible my ad campaigns were doing. I spent $21 on one campaign and got 4 clicks. I spent $39 on another campaign and got 4 clicks. I spent $144 and got 27 clicks. And of those 27 people who clicked on my ad, only 3 people. 3 people bothered to download my book. Oh my god, what was going on? Well, to make a long story short, people's psychology on YouTube was changing. There are so many people teaching Instagram growth on YouTube now that the market is saturated. Viewers were no longer interested in downloading my 10-minute Instagram optimization book. Why? Because they would rather spend 10 minutes watching a free YouTube video than spend 10 minutes reading a free ebook. You see what's happening? People were no longer interested in short-form content on YouTube. That's why in order to continue to grow my email list, I came out with a new lead magnet. Well, it's actually not new. It was my original 30-minute webinar that I tried to promote on Instagram. You know, the one that no one on Instagram wanted to attend? Yes, this one. I created a YouTube ad promoting this exact same webinar. Guess what happened? Now, when I spent $147, I got over 170 clicks. And of those 170 people who clicked my ad, 107 of them actually registered for my webinar. Cool, right?
In conclusion, you really have to understand the psychology of the people on a certain platform and use a lead magnet that's appropriate for that platform.
If you are using Facebook to grow your list, consider creating a Facebook group and make it private. An exclusive private group will make people want to join and give you their emails for the price of admission. If you are using Instagram to grow your list, consider creating a short ebook, cheat sheet, or checklist. Short-form content works best on platforms where people have short attention spans. And if you are using YouTube to grow your list, consider creating long-form content, an in-depth coverage of your topic so that people who are interested in long-form content will feel it is worth their time and their email address to opt into your list. So what do you think? Which list building strategy is your favorite? Let me know and I'll create more videos showing you how to get even more people to join your list on that platform.